जेई मेंस 26 का इनडिफाइनाइट इंटीग्रेशन से एक क्वेश्चन आया था। क्वेश्चन में एक इंटीग्रेशन निकालना है और इनिशियल वैल्यू कंडीशन दिए हमें आई ऑफ 0 इज इक्वल्स टू √3/4 प्लस 20, आई ऑफ हाफ इज इक्वल्स टू a√2 divided by b plus c, and a and b are co-prime. Then we have to find a plus b plus c. So let's find a, b, c. So we are given these three terms: I of 0, I of half, and GCD of a comma b is equals to 1. So we will find first integration. So to find integration in the denominator, अंडर रूट में जो क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन है, अगर हम उसको स्प्लिट कर देते तो हमारे पास उसके दो रूट है 2x प्लस 3 इंटू 2x प्लस 1. मैं z इज इक्वल्स टू 2x प्लस 3 पुट कर देती हूँ तो हमें इंटीग्रेशन मिलेगा आई ऑफ x इज इक्वल्स टू 3/2 dz डिवाइडेड बाई z इंटू अंडर रूट z इंटू z माइनस 2. हम उसे सिंप्लीफाई कर देते हैं. सिंप्लीफाई करने के बाद 3/4 इंटीग्रेशन d ऑफ z डिवाइडेड बाय z टू द पावर 3/2 in bracket z minus 2. Now let's substitute z is equals to 2 into sec square theta. अब z is equals to sec square theta ही क्यों पुट किया है तो हमें आगे पता चलेगा. So let's simplify with this substitution. Then dz is equals to 4 derivative of 2 into sec square theta is 4 into sec square theta into tan theta into d theta. So we will, on putting this value into our original integration, we will get I of x is equals to integration d theta divided by 2 to the power 3/2 into 2 to the power half into sec theta. Which means I of x is equals to 3/4 integration of cos of theta, and we know the integration of cos theta is sin theta. So on integrating we will get 3/4 cos theta plus c1. Now I forgot here to find value of theta. So थीटा की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करने के लिए हमारे पास है z इज इक्वल्स टू 2 sec square theta. So on simplifying we will get under root z minus 2 divided by z is equals to sin theta. It means sin inverse of under root z minus 2 divided by 2 is theta. So on substituting value for theta, we will get I of x is equals to 3/4 under root 2x plus 1 divided by 2x plus 3 plus c1. So to find c1, we have I of 0. On putting value of I of 0, we will get c1 is equals to 20. Now also we know I of half. I of half is equals to a into root 2 plus b plus c, and which will be equals to 3/4 into root 2 plus 20. Now we have to find ABC. So let's compare both the sides. We will get 3 into root 2 divided by 8 plus 20. On comparing, we will get a is equals to 3 and b is equals to 8 and c is equals to 20, and we can see 3 and 8 are co-prime. It means GCD of a 3 comma 8 is equals to 1, and a plus b plus c is equals to 31. This is our final answer. Thank you.